Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to learn extremely important fundamental concept called JavaScript operators. Operators are extremely crucial and important, especially when you're writing your application logic. It can be a arithmetic logic, let's say addition. When you're building tax compliant, you need to do multiplication, division, modulus, etc. You might also want to do logical operations like combining two conditions: if user is logged in and user is admin. See, these are two different conditions. You're joining the logic by saying and operator. So there are different operators that come in handy, especially when you're writing your logic. Let's learn all about it. This is part 9 of the series. If you have missed out on the first 8 parts, I'm covering everything from scratch, from ground zero, to help you become and learn master JavaScript. This is operators episode. So what are operators? Operators are, think of them like a building blocks in implementing the business logic. Now operators, when we write any JavaScript program, it will consist of several operators. Okay, now operators can be used at any time in the course of an execution of program. Now what are the different types of operators that are available? I gave you some examples at the beginning, which is arithmetic. You want to add two numbers, you need the addition operator. You need to subtract something, you need minus operator. You need to divide, multiply, modulus, percentage. All of these are available as part of arithmetic operations. Assignment operators. You will want to assign values during the course of the execution of that JavaScript program. You will need to assign a value into another variable where you will store it. We have learned about variables in the previous episodes. I hope you remember that. So we can assign and store a value. We can use comparison operator, like for example we can say greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, those things. You can do string operations. That means when you have two strings, you can run the above mentioned operators. Like when user enters username, you will compare that string with the one with the password in the server and check if they match, right? So there are different operations that you can do on strings. Then comes the logical operators. Like I said, we can build our logic using logical operators like and, or not, right? Now there are different conditions. If user is not logged in, right, that's where you will use negation, that is not operator. If user is in city New York, or if he is in Texas, that's the or condition, right? If username and password matches, then show him the profile page. That's where you use and operator. So there are different there is, I don't want to restrict you with the use cases, but you get the point that you can combine your logic using these operators. Similarly, we have bitwise operators. Bit operators work on 32-bit numbers. Okay, so that's all you should know as part of the theory about operators. In the next episode, I will walk you down and break down the operators into smaller chunks so that it's easy for you to understand, learn, and master. In the next episode, we will learn about JavaScript arithmetic operators. So whatever operators I have shown you here, in the next 6 episodes, I'm going to walk you through each one of them along with the variables that we learned in the previous episodes, so you can start combining all the knowledge that you are gaining so far. I hope this tutorial series is helping you. If yes, please do show me some love. Please do like, share the tutorials, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.